I'm super excited for this video. This is gonna be a good one, guys. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Marshalee and I run a blog called lifestyle.by.marshalee.com. This channel is all things fashion, luxury bag reviews, unboxings, self-care, and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested, stay tuned for more. Today, I'm unboxing a Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. I've had my eyes on this wallet for months, guys. And I decided to hold it off because I was like, okay, there's other things that I want to get that's a little bit more important and I didn't really need it at that moment or that time. So I decided to wait. But surprise, and I got an early birthday gift and I'm super excited. So stay tuned for the unboxing. Enjoying this video, don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Now here's the Victorine wallet, and I chose to go with the canvas and monogram style because this wallet goes perfectly with my new Noé Louis Vuitton bag, and I am just loving this wallet. It's so beautiful and it feels really sturdy, so that's a plus. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I'll insert more close-up photos of the wallet shortly. So this is how the wallet looks inside. And I just really love this brown color. It's so pretty. And this wallet definitely goes with a lot of my outfits because I love wearing tans and neutrals and browns. So this is gonna go great. And it has about 6 card slots. So that is more than enough for me. And the card slots are really spacious. So you can definitely double up the cards. But for me, I would actually put something in between 2 cards because if you put 2 cards together, they'll probably ruin each other. But yeah, and I definitely love how there's like an extra slot right here. So that's cool, and it has a billfold. Pretty spacious as well. And then on this side, it has a coin section. Yeah, I really love how spacious this wallet is. And it's so beautiful. I love it. I'm definitely going to get a lot of wear out of this wallet. I'm so happy with it. And like I said, this is just going to go perfect with my bag. Another reason why I chose this wallet, it's compact. So it will be able to fit in my smaller bags. Now let me show you guys a closer look at the wallet. This is the front of the wallet, and I love how this wallet is shaped. I love the gold detailing. This is the back. This is the inside, the card slots, and this wallet was made in Italy. And then this is a look in the spacious billfold. And the zipper detailing is gold, love that. And there we go. My final thoughts on the Victorine wallet: it's beautiful, it's sturdy, and it's compact, so it will fit in almost any of my bags. And I'm so blessed and happy to have this wallet. I cannot wait to start using it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!